In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram name. Now, once you are on your Instagram page, as you can see here, to change your Instagram name, all you need to do is to tap on your icon, which is here, and this will highlight your profile. Then you have to look for an option called Edit Profile and tap on it to open your profile settings. As you can see, your displayed name is here, and to change it or edit it, all you need to do is to tap in this box, and then it will highlight all the characters in the box. And now go ahead and change or delete other characters or make any changes that you wish. And once you are done, you have here a blue tick that you have to tap on it to confirm the changes, and you'll be notified that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So if you are okay with the changes, go ahead and tap on change name, and your name will immediately be changed. And as you can see here, our name has now been changed. So that's how we change your name on your Instagram profile. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.